As a 3/4 inch rotor market leader, we're continually asking our customers what we can do to improve our product. And one of the improvements that they described to us was a better looking, higher performance nozzle. And that's what these blue nozzles have set out to do.
One of the first things you noticed when you see the new blue nozzles in operation is that the distribution of water is very even and uniform, from up close to the head through the mid-range all the way to the end of the stream. And what this allows is that if you have an installation that's newly seeded, the water is very evenly and gently distributed, which will prevent seed washout.
One of the challenges that we had with the PGP and the overall creation of these blue nozzles is how do we make a blue nozzle rack that performs better, yet not call the red nozzles bad? Because obviously we've been making red nozzles for the PGP for 25 years, and it's got millions of acres of green grass that work just perfectly. And so that's the challenge. So we had to do it very carefully because we think that we made a better nozzle that has a better watering pattern, a narrower stream, easier to read numbering flow rates, but the red nozzles are still good because we've got a lot of happy customers with the red nozzles. So whether the contractor uses our standard trajectory red nozzles or the standard trajectory blue nozzles or even the 13-degree low angle gray nozzles, all of the nozzles will perform perfectly for their application. The nozzles are easily able to be inserted into the product. Simply select the favorite nozzle off the rack, align it into the nozzle housing. The tapered base of the nozzle allows for easy insertion. Line it up, press your fingers against the flat front face, press it into place, insert the hunter wrench, allowing the set screw to hold the nozzle into place.
There was a lot of effort put into what Steve's talking about with the angled front surface and being very flat, so it's easy for the customer to push them into place. There was a lot of work done to balance the insertion force versus being able to get the nozzles to seal off in operation.
These nozzles are easily compatible with older PGPs back as far as 1982 when Hunter first started making PGPs. So the nice thing is that you can take this new nozzle rack, take your favorite one off, insert it into an old PGP, and you can immediately upgrade the entire performance of the system just by taking new nozzles.
You know, as Steve mentioned, we wanted to meet the customer's demands for a new performing nozzle. He gave us an opportunity on the engineering side to go back and look at our performance and see what we could do to improve it. And so we saw opportunities to tighten up the stream, to be able to more evenly distribute the water, and we took advantage of this opportunity to create a better product.
The blue nozzles have got so many things that we just talked about. We've got the flat front, we've got the large ID on the front, we've got them available in even gallons per minute to make it easy to use for the contractor on the job site. We've got metric information on the back. It's got a nice watering pattern, doesn't wash away seed. All total, they're just a great nozzle. And so we're very, very happy with it, and we think contractors are going to like their performance as well.